Alright guys, I want to take you on my journey to Bakersfield, California, where I just closed on a property. Bakersfield's about 2 hours outside of Los Angeles. Properties here are a lot more affordable and the cash flow is awesome. Hey, what's up you guys? I'm actually here in beautiful Bakersfield. You see? I'm actually here about to close on my next investment property. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo, and gonna be signing loan docs on Monday and funding. I'm just doing a final walkthrough. Very beautiful day out here, Southern California, very beautiful. This is the outside, it's a pool area. It's a very nice building, a very nice area. As you see, quiet area, nice neighborhood. So yeah, this is actually the second property that I've bought in this building. I have another unit in this building, which has gone well. So it just really shows you with focus, persistence, dedication, so many positive things can definitely happen. So I'm actually just now waiting on my realtor. This is the outside. Yeah, I'm very excited. I definitely feel very blessed to have this opportunity. This was a great deal that just really came out of nowhere. I was literally just on the internet one day, and this property actually happened to come back on the market, and I put an offer in and they accepted the same day. So just really being persistent and always being on the grind, and opportunities will come your way. All right, you guys, so we are here at the investment property, unit 68. And it does need a little bit of work, but that is just part of the process. So as you see, it's a little dated, but the bones are in good condition. But it is definitely going to need a little bit of money, a little bit of investment. It's 2 bedrooms, probably new carpet, some painting. New countertop. It's a nice patio area.
No, aquí donde estaba, no, es
Yeah. We got it for such a great price though. So, and the rent that we're going to be getting on this unit is phenomenal. So, but you got to go through the process, and that's what we're going to be doing.